Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have the landlord Erica. Now it's her birthday last night, and we wish you a happy belated birthday, Erica. And I know you had fun because you look great. Now she's talking about the things, and she's talking about the regular backers and stuff that she always talk about. So go check out the video. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Frock and me wear for my birthday. Yes! Somebody said it come give me a look what it put. Me buy a book from a man, so I will send me a frock here, long time too. But me never have no cage. Oh, let me move it, come in, me couldn't see the Ross frock good. If a student will gone or a student will come, thank you very much. Somebody lend me that frock here. Happy birthday, Virgo Queen. Thank you, Shelly and Blake. Marcia, big up yourself. Wanna share live now? 182 people. Share live. We have all kind of something to talk. Me have all manner sell. They don't want me, man. They know for me wholesale out and done. They want one woman fire where one burn until you get all. In my age group. Young boy there. Anyone on the fire have no man boy I want to marry to me there Port Antonio. One back as me I give. Me we give him two but me not trouble no when you come. Better than keep me. Don't keep all out there. Me can't breathe neither. Breathe the back tired. Bless up everybody. Rihanna. Adriana got here, baby. Patsy. Carry on. I want that. Sokisha. Hey. Me read back with I want that down there under Carrion Mackenzie. A Sokisha Wilson. Hello, excuse me. And every name me can pronounce. As me don't know that name, me go left it. Keisha, big up yourself. Debbie, big up yourself. Flowers Dixon, me always love you. Always love you. Thank you very much, Claudette Francis. Hey, me don't know what I name them. One man decided me we go to school. DEHHILLA. Delia. I never my birthday, so I must know you. In here, member Jamal, me go, I want to come from today. Plus, me have Jamal weed and rum tonight. Blood clot. This one look good. Keisha Watts, the black man will breed me in a certain name. But we give white man a picnic. Noreen Williams, bless up yourself. Me out the road here. Me don't know if near mouth I walk. If don't I go, I walk home, I can go shake up 2 times. If me bad and 2 I go, them and get a backers. Keisha Ellis, thank you. Ivan Francis, thank you. I want a champion, me don't know your last name, are you that? Bless up yourself. You don't know a dance class, you know that? You know why we keep thing over here and have to come a TikTok if you don't want to see Batty a jerk? Because we can't jerk Batty over here. Yes, thank you, Altia. Hyacinth, bless up yourself. Laura, bless up yourself. I want a Kitana. Me cuss bad word in here. Carmen, bless up yourself. Angela. Hey, me not call no more name. Because me can't Rose Campbell, bless up yourself. You come back. Hey, thank you, my sweetheart. Long time, Trisha Fuller. Thank you, sweetheart, for your birthday. Thank you, Brown. Michelle, thank you, sweetheart. Shelly, B, thank you. Green, thank you. Hey, make we just say all that thank you in what? But big up yourself every time, Trisha. Big respect. And all of my students, them love you guys. We should have go home first. Show us some love. Thank you. Me not give no trouble and me not say nothing. Me mouth shut. Dana, bless up yourself. Janice McDonald, bless up yourself. Norma Morris, bless up yourself. Have fun, you know which part me there. Paula Morgan, bless up yourself. Come. Sue Wade, bless up yourself. You know you're always over here. Ellis, Sonia Ellis, big respect. Thank you for your happy birthday wishes. You know me there. Me there nearly out of Valley Road somewhere there. Dana Marie Smith, thank you. I want a Sylvester. I feel so. Bless up yourself. I am Darkin. Bless up yourself. Dan Edwards, bless up yourself. Winsome Smith. Nardia Blake Reed, bless up yourself. Cecilia. Nancy, I love you, sweetheart. You know you come in and out. Dolores, bless up yourself. Anybody want to hear me a minute see it? Blessings to everybody. I do love you all. Denise, Maris Watts, West. Wow. And I put Sandra Ellis. Come make we talk about something else. Birthday garden, no brother, no man who no left here. How much foreigner they pay? 206 people. And James. Alright, Nancy, bless up yourself. No brother, no cousin live near you. Boy, my